Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This morning I went to Hobby Lobby and they had their Valentine's Day decor out. Everything is 40% off right now, so I just have a quick haul I'd like to share with y'all. And the first item I have is this sign for my tier tray. It says XOXO sweetheart, be mine, and love you more. It was $2.99 and 40% off. That makes it $1.79. And that's what it looks like. The next item I have is this Love Mini rolling pin. It was $2.99 as well, so 40% off that makes it $1.79. And this is what it looks like. And the next item I have is this Cupid Express mail delivery truck. It lights up, and it was $6.99 with 40% off that. You just pull the tab and turn it on, and that's what it looks like. And the next item I have is this cute little bouquet of roses and baby's breath in this canvas material with this red ribbon around it. It was $3.49 with 40% off. And that's what it looks like. And the next item I have is this mini felt banner. It just says I love you, and it has 2 hearts on it. It was $2.99, so 40% off that makes it $1.79 as well. I got these cute little Highland cows. They had a boy and a girl. This one is a little girl with a cute bow on top of her head with a rose in her mouth, and she was $6.49. And that's what she looks like. And then I got the boy one as well. He has a letter in his mouth, or a Valentine Day card, whatever, with a top hat, and he was $6.49 as well. And that's what he looks like. So I think they'll look cute in my tray. And then the next item I have is these glass cups with the bamboo lids and the glass straw. And they were $7.99 minus 40% off that. Also, if you buy these, be careful and look at the vinyl wrapped around it, because I noticed on some of them the vinyl was messed up and it was like curled back and it didn't look good at all. So if you get these, make sure you check that vinyl out before you purchase it. And then the other one I got is another cup, and it's got the conversation hearts on it. You see, like right here, this is messed up. I didn't see that until just now. But other way, it'll probably come off a little bit when you wash it anyhow. And I guess right here looks like a defect as well. And this is because it's just some paper that didn't come off when they did the... Yeah, it's just some vinyl that didn't come off when they peeled the design off. So be careful of that as well. But anyway, some of them didn't have this on it, but I prefer to get it with this on it. So I looked through them and made sure, and then the cup comes off, and just make sure you look over it good. That's the only defect that I see in the ones I picked. But well, that's my haul today. Most of these items, pretty much all of them but the glasses, are for my tier tray, and I'll have that video coming out soon as well. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you'd like. Until next time, thanks for watching. I also have this little stack of books that I purchased, and it says A True Love Story Never Ends, and it has the little beads on it with the jute twine on it, and looks like that. And it was $5.49 with 40% off.